What's up, YouTube? Earn $50 to $200 per day online fast. This is your first time to my YouTube channel. Welcome. My name is Andre, and on this channel I talk about how to make money online affiliate marketing in just different ways. So if you're brand new, smash that bell notification. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. For my regulars, happy to have you here. I know I haven't created a video for like 2-3 days because I went over to New York and I went to visit my family. So my wife and Jackson, the baby, we went over there and took a trip, and I saw some of my family. So over the weekend, you didn't get any videos, but hey, back with another great video, right? So earn $50 to $200 per day online fast. So let's jump into the video. Let's do this right now. As mentioned before, this is the family. Welcome to the family. Make sure, subscribe, like it, smash that bell. And if you like what I do, just let me know in the comments. If you don't like what I did, just leave me a comment anyway. I like to take criticism and a good feedback, all right? Not just a comment. Just make sure you leave a comment down below. So right over here, we're gonna go to Google. Oh my goodness, it's late at night. I've been driving, tired. Bear with me. Let me go through the videos. So I'm going to show you a method that it's called arbitrage. So basically, if some of you don't know what arbitrage is seeing something for a lower price and then sell it for a higher price. Or seeing something for a lower price, sell for a higher price. So what I'm going to share with you is how you can earn $50 to $200 doing this every single day. It works. I got a friend who is doing it. And that's why, because I asked him, I was like, how do you make money? And I've never seen you actually. And he's like, well, this is what I do. I buy stuff over here low and I sell it for high. And I was like, So I said, could you share me some websites that you're using? And he's like, all right. He's like, listen, man, I'm going to share it with you. And I said, I want to share with my subscribers. And is it cool if I make a YouTube video? And he's like, yeah, you could do it because a lot of people been doing it. And I was like, what? A lot of people been doing this? And I was like, apparently I didn't know about it. I know about arbitrage, but I didn't know that he was actually doing this method. So I'm going to share with you how you can actually do this. So let's jump into it right away. So there's a website that is called Freelancer.com. So go on freelancer.com. So Freelancer is a website where people post multiple different type of jobs. There's jobs all over here, and they're looking for, some of them are like, people need you to come and fix stuff inside their office. People need you to come and install this, and people need you to come in their home. So this is a worldwide website. So all pricing are in the US. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world, all pricing is in the US. So for here, I said, this is a great place that you can make good money. And if you do it the right way, you can make a lot of money doing this. However, it's going to take some time. And when I say time, it's going to take time on your part, because if you're not very active and if you're not following up with this, you can lose out on a potential client. So what does that mean? This means that there's people like me or other people who just come on here and post a particular job or something that they want you to get done. You as the person and the creator, the master behind everything, you got to make sure that you give a bid. So if you look over to the right hand side, right over here, you see entries. And what entry is, entry basically that there's 8 people are trying to get this same gig. Now, if you look down here, this is for $100. If you get it done, there's 22 entries. There's people on here that are looking and that are not really doing the same thing that I'm about to share with you, but they're using their skill to do that. So this, I'm going to show you, it doesn't require you any skill. So what I did was I pull up the most popular thing that people always want. There's other things out there, but I just pulled this up. And this is a logo. People always looking for logo. Even though you can go on canva.com, you can go on other websites, and you can create a logo for free. Listen, most people ain't that computer savvy. People are busy with their lives. They ain't got time to go make a logo. So what they do, they come on this place and they will write something and tell you a specific of exactly what they're looking for. So you as a person need to know, okay, I see what this person wants. Now let me go get the job done. If you're not quite sure about it, you could copy the entire thing that the person wrote, right? Copy the entire thing. So you can look over here. Real estate closing coordinator needs a logo design. So you could go like this, right? You go copy this entire thing, and what you need to do, and here's where it comes, the arbitrage, man. This is like banger. If you do this the right way, you could go on here and you could kill it. And I'm going to share with you where you can go as well to find people that are looking for this type of stuff without actually going and doing it themselves. So you're going to copy this. You want to head on over to good old Fiverr, and we're going to do an arbitrage. So we're looking for logo design. So looking for logo designs, these are some of the pricing that people are posting. Now, here's the thing, and I want you to follow me here. You're going to come over here. This is selling for 50 bucks. You are not going to, let me say this again. You're not going to pay somebody and you have not got a confirmation from this person. I hope I make sense. So stop the video, go rewatch what I just said. I don't want you to come over here and pay somebody for a specific logo and you haven't got a green light to say, okay, Andre, you can go ahead and design it. Now, if you hit this person up, you can let them know, hey, just so you know, I saw you trying to do some logo design, and what I want to do is I want to see if you want to find interest in my work. Some of them will ask you to, hey, send me some of your work. Now, that's cool because you can come over here and you can find somebody that $5-10, look at some 5 stars, click on here, this person does real estate, right? I'll do a complete real estate logo design for you. Oh my goodness, this is perfect. I'm doing this raw, straight, and dry. I didn't even, right? Looking on here, real estate. Look at this, real estate. This person right here will create a logo for you for 10 bucks. So let's say this person said, yes, I'm gonna get it, right? What you could do, you could copy everything here and you go over here and you can message this person. Send me some of your work, let me look at it. Boom, you can come back over here and then boom, you can send this over to get some work done. Not everybody knows about Fiverr. People think that Fiverr is so crowded and that because people don't know about this stuff unless you're in the game, like people will search online. That's why you see Fiverr is advertising. I see them advertising on YouTube and Facebook, right? Because what? They're trying to get more people to come onto their platform, even though they've been around, but not everybody know about Fiverr. Fiverr is a great place that you can come on here and you can find whatever it is that you want to do. Now, if this person said yes, and then you send over the design to this particular person right here, right? Look at this. These are people that are ready. Boom, 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 boom. Right? I haven't seen no hearts. I haven't seen nothing yet. Right? She haven't liked anything yet. Right? And these are people from all over the world. Bangladesh, Serbia, India. So you could come on here and be like, all right, there's 8 entries. Let me put on my entries too. Because the status is still open. They're still searching because they're probably reviewing everything. So you would come on here and you would send them over the information if they ask for it. Now, if they say yes, then this person would be him up, okay, this is what I need. You proofread it, you send it back to her. If she doesn't like it, you send it back to this guy and say, hey, listen, I don't like it. Change this, change that, make it look better. Because you're getting the information from this person and you're going over here. Arbitrage has been going on for a long time. It's been going on for a while because that's what most people do. Even on, even offline stuff. People have a clothes store or a shoe store. You think they buy the full price for the shoe? No, they go over to Nike and they get it for a certain price because you're the middleman and then you sell for another thing. That's how it works. So this is a great way of starting without you having any real startup capital. Because what you're going to do, you're going to come over here, and if this person likes what you do, you can come over here and do it. Now, for some of these Fiverr gigs, people on here, you definitely have to pay for it before they even complete the job. So I did say it doesn't require a lot of startup capital, but it needs a little bit. Not a lot, but a little bit. So make sure you come over here, and as I said before, until this deal is done where they give you the green light, you will come on Fiverr and you do the same thing. You'll search on here. What if it's not logo, right? And it doesn't have to be logo. I just type in logo because I know that's hot and you can make good money. You can earn money just by doing this. You can earn money online fast, like super fast. What if it's, let's say, writing jobs? Search, writing, or let's say content creator. Look at this. People are always looking for content. Boom, right? 96 bucks, 320. Build me a website. Oh my goodness, look at this. Over 38 bids on this. If you know how to create a website, hey, go to Fiverr, right? Go to Fiverr. Website builder. Website builder or developer. Website developer or website builder, same thing. Come over here. Look at this. People are making good money. $2,000. Jeez Louise. This person ain't messing around. Look at this. 80 bucks. 50 bucks. So let's say you come over here and this person is 320. All right? And you can find something for at least 100 bucks or even less, 80. All right? 50, 70, 150. Even if it's 150, you're making 170 on your money. All right? Because you want to make sure it's good quality information that you're getting. Because you don't want to send people stuff that is not good, because guess what? They're going to send you bad reviews. So you want to make sure that when you get the green light, freelance content, likewise, same thing, 20 bucks, bid, $1,381. Call in for creative content writers for long-term projects. This person is a long-term project. You can come here and you can do the same thing. Ghostwriting, content writing, blog, article writing. You can come over here and you can earn anywhere from like $50 to $200 per day, even more if you do this the right way. So if you got some time in the evening when you get home from work, you can start hitting some people up. You know, try it your hands, see if it works. So I didn't want to make this too long. I just wanted to drop that golden nuggets for you so you can go out there, you could crush it. Like, subscribe, become a part of the family. My #1 recommendation is in the description. I'll see you in the next video. My name is Andre. Peace.